Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices gained more than $1 a barrel on the expectation that OPEC Plus will maintain crude supply curbs at its June the 2nd meeting, while the start of US summer driving season and a weaker dollar also boosted the commodity. The dollar gained, giving back earlier losses as benchmark US Treasury yields hit a 4-week high following some weak auctions. The Treasury Department saw soft demand for sales of 2-year and 5-year notes. Inflows into Bitcoin investment products topped $1 billion last week, with the total year-to-date inflows reaching approximately $14.6 billion. This surge in investment is largely attributed to institutions and long-term investors increasing their exposure to spot Bitcoin ETFs.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's construction work done will be released at 1:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 12 GMT. The US Fed's Beige Book will be released at 18 GMT. Japan's consumer confidence at 5 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.